Welcome to aminacademy.com in mathematics. Stop selection commission exams MCQ questions. That is, stop selection means SSC competitive exam. Study the following table chart carefully and answer the questions given beside. Here, data related to 5 companies which produces specific quantity of products in lakhs during the given year is mentioned as below. Here the company's name A, B, C, D, E, 2000, this much products, 2001, like up to 2003, the number of products in lakhs is given. First question, in which year all the companies together produces the maximum product? Here we have to compare the number of products in each year. Here first, 2000 or 2000, the addition of this all the things gives 157. 157 lakhs. Second addition is this, gives 127. Third, that is 2002, number of products is 190. Fourth is addition of these things is 125. These are the additions of such years. Now, in which all the companies together produces the maximum product. Here maximum product is 2002. Second question, production of B and C together in year 2002 is what percent of the production D and E? B and C first. Here B and C in 2000 year 2000 is, look at here, B and C, B and C 2000 is 30, 20 plus B and C 2000 is 20 plus what is 60. 20 plus 40 equal to 60. Next is B and C and D and E. D and E. D and E is 31 plus 31. 31 plus 31 equal to 62. This is B, D and D and E. D and E in 2000, D and E 2003, D and E is 20 plus 10. D and E 2003 is 20 plus 10 equal to 30. Therefore, the percentage of production B and C together in year 2000 of the production of D and E in year 2003 is 60 over 30 into 100 equal to 200 percentage. So the second is 200 percentages. Then third question, that is 22. What is the ratio of the production A and D in 2001 to the production produced by B and D in 2003? Here A and D. A and D. A and D in 2001 A&D 2001 is 10 plus 30, 40 lakhs. Then same B and E, and 2003. B and E 2003. B and E 2003. B is 50 and E is 10. 50 plus 10 equal to 50 plus 10, 60 lakhs. Now we have to find, therefore, the ratio of the production of A and D in 2001 to the production of B by E, B and E in 2003 is 40 by 60 into 100, which is equal to 2 over 3. We can return this one as 2:3. Option B. If the profit generated on selling a product produced by A is rupees 4.5, then find the total profit earned on selling all the products of A in all year together. Here 23. Here total number of products produced by A in all year. Total products in A and all together here is 35, 10, 60, 35, 10, 60 plus 5, which gives 110 lakhs. That means if the profit generated by selling one product produced by A in rupees 4.5, then find the total profit earned by. Now, therefore, the total profit earned on selling all the products of A in all year together is 110 into 4.5 for each product, which gives 495. 4.5 is given, all together is 110 for A, and so we have 495. Option A. Next question. A right circular cone is cut by 3 parallel plane to its base. The plan cut the altitude of the cone in 4 equal parts. Find out the ratio of volume of each part. Look at here. Here, suppose this is a cone. These are 3 parallel planes cut this one. So suppose look at here, these are 4 H. Here each part is H height. Now we know that the volume of cone is proportional to R cube, and which is proportional to H cube, which means from the each plane volume is proportional to R cube and maybe H cube. R is the radius of each cone, radius of the cones. Here volume of first part. Volume of first part volume of first part is only H, so that is a volume of the first part is proportional to simply H cube. Now second part of the cone is from this plane to this plane, so second is proportional to 2h cube is 8h cube, 2h whole cube, that is 2h whole cube minus h cube, which is 8h cube minus h cube is 7h cube. Now that this plan, that is the third part, is proportional to 3h cube, 3h cube because 3h cube minus 2h cube. That is this part. This part is 3h cube minus 2h cube. This 2h cube we gives here 3h cube is 27h cube minus 8h cube is 19h cube. Then fourth, of course, fourth is proportional to 4h cube minus 3h cube. 4h cube is 64h cube minus 27h cube is 37h cube. Therefore, the volume ratios are here. Means 1, 7, 19, 1 is to 7 is to 19 is to 37. 1 is to 7 into 9. 1, 7, 19, 37. Option A. Now, next question. A merchant uses weight of 125 gram instead of 100 gram while buying an article. He used 80 gram instead of 100 gram while selling. He marked up the price of 20% and then offers 20% discount. Find the overall profit or loss percentages. Here, the effective ratio to SP ratio CP. We are finding effective ratio of this one. First, merchant uses 125 grams instead of 100 grams. That is 125 over 100 into second part. While buying an article, he used 80 gram instead of 100 gram while selling. That is 100 SP. Selling CP is 80. And he marked up price 120 and then offers discount 20. Offers discount means selling price is 100 minus 20 is 80 over 100. So which gives 125 over 100. One more. Here 125 by 100 by 80, 100 by 80 and 120 by 100. One more thing is which means 100 by 80, 120 by 100, 20% discount. Here he marked up price 20%, that is 120 by 100, and he sold a discount for 20%, that is 80 by 100. Four combinations here. Here first we can cut this 80, this 100. So we have finally we have 125 by 100 and 120 by 100, 125 by 100. That is here. This is 5 is 4 into this one is 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is 6 by 5. That is 6 ratio 6 over 2 is 3 by 2. So that effective profit here, therefore profit percentage is here, effective ratio is 3 is to 2. That means SP ratio CP is 3 is to 2. Therefore profit percentage profit percentage profit percentage is CP minus SP, that is 3 by 2 minus 1 is half. Therefore half into 100 for percentage is 50%. Option D. Here, if x equal to square root of root 5 plus 1 over square root of root 5 minus 1, then the value of 5x square minus 5x minus 1 will be. Here, that x can be written in common square root. Here, this denominator have 5 minus 1, therefore we can multiply the opposite things. Co is what? X equal to square root of conjugate root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 root 5 plus 1, since denominator have root 5 minus 1. So we have this is root 5 plus 1 root 5 whole square root is root 5 plus 1. Here root 5 minus 1 root 5 plus 1 is root 5 square minus 1, that is root 5 5 minus 1, that is 4. We have this is 4, which we have the numerator and denominator is multiplied by root 5 plus 1. We have that square root becomes 2 here, not square root of 4 is 2. We have the x values root 5 plus 1, but we have to find the value of 5x square minus 5x minus 1. Therefore, we have 5x square minus 5x plus 1, which is equal 5 into x square is root 5 plus 1 by 2 the square minus 5 into x is root 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. We have to find these values. So after expanding, look at here, this 5, this root 5 plus 1 is whole square is root 5 is 5 plus 1 6 and 2 into 1 into root 5, that is 2 root 5 by 4, which gives, after simplification, we give this one is root 3 plus root 5, root 5 plus 3 by 2. This is squaring, this one it gives minus 5 minus 5 of root 5 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. by simplification, that is multiply with 5 here and multiply minus 5 here and add divide LCM as 2. Then you get this is simplifying as 4. Here the ratio of the work done by 50 women to the work done by 25 men in the same time is 4:3. If 18 women and 12 men can finish the piece of work in 5 days, then how many women can finish the same work in 20 by 3 days? So, the ratio of the work done by 50 women, ratio 25 men. 50 women, 25 men. The ratio of the work done by 50 women to the work done by 25 men is the same time is 4:3. Here, therefore, ratio of the work done by 50 is 1/3 because the ratio is given 4:3 that opposite to reciprocals, that is 1/4, 1/3 to 1/4. The ratio of work done by one man, one woman, one man, one woman equal is same ratio is 1/150 ratio 1/, that is one man to this opposite way, that is man is 1/4, the ratio of work done by one man to one woman is 1/150 to 1/100. Then let the time taken by one woman to one man, time taken, time for one woman to one man. One woman to one man to complete the work is 150x. 150x, let it is x, 150x and 100x. 100x, therefore 150x, 100x. Therefore, is equal, which gives 18 hour, then 5/150x. Look at here, which is given as 18 women and 12 men. So that 18 here, 18 women and 12 men. Therefore, plus 12 into 5/100x, which is equal to whole part of the work, women and men. So by solving this, it is equal 90/150x plus 60 over 100x. By simplifying this, taking LCM is for 150x and 100x is 300x. On solving this, we get x equal to, got 6 over 5. Then x equal to 6 over 5. After that, the time taken by one woman and one man to complete the work in 180 days and 120 days respectively equal to 20 by 3 is here. 20 by 3 days woman can finish. That is, then how many women can finish the same work in 20 by 3 days? Therefore, the number of women worked in 20 by 3 days to complete the work is 3 by 20 because reciprocal 3 by 20 into total 180 because he says time taken for one woman and one man to complete the work is 180 days. Therefore, here simplifying this is here 336 by 2 is now 342. 3 into 18 is 54 by 2 is 27 days. So option B. Next question. The varieties of sugar are mixed in ratio 3:2 and sold 8 rupees 80 per kg to make a profit 25%. Make it 25%. If the cost of the variety of the sugar whose quantity is more is 40 rupees 40 per kg, what is the cost of the other variety of sugar? Here, now we'll explain here. Sale price of mixture is P of mixture equal to is rupees 80. Therefore, CP of mixture, CP equal to 80 into 25% more, that is equal to 100 by 125, which gives 64 rupees. Then look at here, therefore 64 here 40, here let it be x, here x equal to x minus 64 because totally 64, x minus here 24. Therefore, you can see the ratios now here x minus 64 over 24 equal to x minus 64 3 by 2, 3 is to 2. Therefore, from this x equal to, by solving this, x equals 100. That means look at here, if the cost of the variety of the sugar whose quantity is more 40 per kg, what is the cost of the other variety of the sugar? Other variety of the sugar is 100. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.